Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Techy Ujjwal. Friends, today first time we are gonna reveal my Whitehead Junior project. Today we will be considering this project and we will be making an perfect app with name Palindroma. Friends, to understand Palindroma, I give you an example. So here I am having two words. One is madam. So friends, you can see here madam is written in this way, which is MADAM. Now friends, if I reverse it, for example, now I am reading it as MADAM. Now I read it from here MADAM. It still means the same. So this is called palindroma. And same with this word race car. Now I am reading it from here, so it sounds the same, but now I am reading from here, it is meaning the same. So this is called palindroma. So let's begin. So friends, for making this app we will be using a popular platform named Thunkable. It is an Android platform. The link is in description. You can directly go there and make your apps. So friends, in order to start with Thunkable, you need to log in with your Google account, and even you need to make a Thunkable ID which will be made by your Google account only. So for starting a new Thunkable app, click on create new app button. Now name your project. For example, I will name it as project 28 because it's my Whitehead Junior project 28. Okay, here you can choose a category about the app. For example, we don't choose anything, it's optional, it's your wish. So after doing it, click on create. If you want to try the new Thunkable, try new Thunkable platform, you can check this box, but I will be starting from a beginner for you because it's a little bit weird, a little bit difficult. So settings here, everything is fine else. Now we will again, what we did is by mistake we added so many columns which we don't need. We only need one column, so add it. Okay, and now what you need to do is go in column settings and on the vertical alignment to space around, set the vertical alignment to space around. Okay, now what you need to do is we will add a label. So here it is. Click on label and put it on the horizontal line as shown. Okay, now name it as whatever you want. For example, here I name it as for palindromes. Name it whatever you want. Now in font size, let's keep 23. Okay, looking nice. In color we do purple. Dark purple is fine. You can take any color your wish, and many other settings, but we are using simple, so just let's do this much only. For example, now let's do more things in our app. For that we need a text input to take the user's input. For that, just drag this text input and put it on vertical line as shown. Here it will be showing as type here, so you can change this by going in Hind. So here we enter your text. Okay, enter your text. Fine. Now what you need to do is again, now let's get it button. Let's find a button. Before button we needed again a label to show the user the input he got. Okay, keep the label blank so that the user can see it clearly. We will be using this label as a variable, so don't worry, don't be so much panic. It is easy. This is easy scratch coding. Okay, here we added a button. User will click here to change the button text. Click here. Here, let's do it. Click here. Okay. Now you can change the background color to whatever you want. For example, I change it red. You can even change the background color by clicking on background, or you will get a background. If you are not able to see, click on project 28 and click click on screen 1. Yes, now here you will see background color. Set it to whatever you want. For example, like that, you can set whatever you want. But for this example we are using only white. It is your wish, fully your wish. So yes, you can do anything. After we have done the designing, let's get to the coding. So for coding, we will be going in block session. As you can see here, click on blocks. There are many things to do it in. So let's begin very simply. Let's firstly start up. So friends, for starting up, you need to declare a variable, go in variable, select initial app variable name and name it as whatever you want. For example, I name it as reversed. Okay, you can name it anything. Okay, here we have named it. Now let's do more coding. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go in text. Here you will get an option of text and take this one. This is the variable name. Okay, now let's code for button 1 which we have made. Click on when button 1 and choose this one, when button 1 click. Now what you need to do is go on again variables and choose set app variable reversed. This depends on how many variables you have made. Here I have made only one variable, so it is showing me only one variable. If you have made many variables, it will be showing so many variables depending on how much you made. So again, drag this one. Now what you need to do is go on control, and now we will be using counter loop. Counter loop is very useful loop which I will explain you. Just you see the full video, you will be able to understand everything. So okay, now initial here we will be here you need to go in text and go of length of ABC. Okay, go here and go in again variables and choose this app variable reversed 2, and in 2 here write 1 by 1. Okay, everything else is fine, only we need to change this. Sorry friends, we don't need this variable, we actually need text input 1, and from here click on text inputs text and drag this one. Okay, now delete this one by pressing delete key. Okay, now what we need to do is now we will be we will go in variables and click on set app variable reverse to. Now go in text, join. Now again declare this variable, delete it, and now go in variables, again join this variable. You may be now confused what am I saying, but don't worry, I will explain you all the app coding, so keep watching the video. Now again go in text. Now here you will get in text get letter, this one, drag it, and in this what you need to do is just delete it. And here what you need to do is here go in text input 1 and click on text input once text, drag it and just keep it here. Okay, now get letter #1. This is fine, but we don't need 1. In order to remove 1, we need again variable, means we need a variable I. Okay, so we have declared I variable also by here, count with I. Okay, so this is made in I. More than half of app is made. We need a little bit more coding. So friends, now we will be using if condition, which is a very popular condition in coding. So let's use it. Click on if. Now from logic, drag is equal to sign. If now go and drag this one, text input 1. If text inputs once text is equal to, now here we will be again making that variable which we have made, app variable reversed. Okay, and now we will be showing that the user that it is a palindrome or not. Set label to text 2, or label 2 is that blank label which we kept. Yes, this is a palindrome. Whatever you want you can write here. Wait. Yes, this is a palindrome. Okay, now else. Now we will be using else condition. So again go in label 2, set labels to text 2. No, this is not a palindrome. Not a palindrome. Fine. Okay, so let's now understand the coding. Firstly, we have declared a variable by name of reversed. Okay, you can keep any other name, but we have here declared a variable reversed. Now when button 1 click, this means जब हमने button 1 को दबाया, when we press the button 1, so what happened, which was our app variable, we set it to again a blank label. जो app variable था ना, उसको हमने फिर से एक blank label में set कर दिया. So now what we did, we again declared a variable by name of I. Here it is written count with I. Here we declared a variable named I. We don't need to again go and declare it as initial as app variable. No, it will be declared itself because it is coded in programming. Okay, count with I. Count means count karna, right? Means we are counting. Count the variable I from the length of text input 1 text. Whatever we will write in that text input, it will be counting the length of that text from 1 to 1, means one letter. For example, मान लो जैसे for example अगर हमने उसमें वो जो टेक्स्ट इनपुट है उसमें हमने टेक्स्ट डाला कि माई नेम, ठीक है, तो वो क्या करेगा, माई नेम वो एक टेक्स्ट से लेकर दूसरे टेक्स्ट तक पढ़ेगा. माई ऐसे पढ़ेगा वो MYNAME. ये है इसका मतलब, इस लाइन का मतलब. ओके, so next is set app variable reverse to. Again we are setting the app variable to. Here we have set it as a blank label, so here it is setting it as app variable reverse. Join means दो टेक्स्ट को join कर देना, दो चीज़ों को join करना. It will join the app variable, this variable, and जो भी टेक्स्ट यहाँ पर आया टेक्स्ट इनपुट 1 में हमारे साथ, वह उसको I से कर देगा, यानी वो I वेरिएबल के साथ उसको जोड़ देगा. मीन्स दिस लाइन इज गिविंग द इंस्ट्रक्शन टू द वेरिएबल आई कि आप इस लेटर को ध्यान से पढ़ो कि इसमें क्या है. देन वी यूज द इफ कंडीशन. अगर टेक्स्ट इनपुट का जो टेक्स्ट है वो ऐप वेरिएबल से मैच होता है तो जो लेबल 2 का टेक्स्ट है जो हमने ब्लैंक छोड़ा था वो आना चाहिए यस दिस इज अ पैलिंड्रोम. अगर वहीं पर ये एल्स मीन्स अगर नहीं है तो आना चाहिए नो दिस इज नॉट अ पैलिंड्रोम. सो लेट्स नाउ टेस्ट आवर ऐप. For testing, go in design, click on live test. If you are having a phone device here, you can test it. For this, you need to open your phone. For testing it on phone, you need to download thunkable app. All the conditions are given, but for this, we are just doing it like that. Click on preview and enter the text and click on click here. See, it is showing yes, this is a palindrome. Now let's enter any other word which is not a palindrome. Yes, okay. So friends, very congratulations to all of you. We finally have made an app. So thanks for watching this video. I hope कि आपका भी ऐप बन गया होगा. अगर ऐप बना है तो ऐप का लिंक आपका जो भी ऐप है उसका यहाँ पे आपको शेयर का बटन दिख रहा है, उस पर क्लिक कर आप जनरेट लिंक के बटन पे क्लिक कर लिंक आप अपने ऐप का मुझे डिस्क्रिप्शन में ज़रूर दें ताकि मैं भी आपका ऐप एक्सेस कर सकूं और आपको आपकी कमेंट्स को हार्ट दे सकूं. सो इस ऐप का भी मैं लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा. आई विल गिव द डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक सो डैट इफ यू आर स्टक एट एनी प्लेस you can see the directly. Okay, you can keep a cheat sheet, you can say. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Absolutely hit a like button, subscribe, comment. Thank you. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम.